Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karikiptanka kukuya PaNhau channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchingwa karoga subscribe. Don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasimari Zimbabwe takigira inyenetsa pa Mozambique hapo NeZanu, the Mozambique's capital city Maputo, yakatenwa into a ghost town. Hapo millions of Mozambicans unite in response to the opposition party's calls for a national-wide shutdown. This move yaratiza kuti vanhu havana kufara nema results akabuda elections akaitwa muri Zimbabwe ku Zambia. The Mozambican presidential candidate Venancio Motlani vakabuda vachi-announce a general shutdown of the public and private activities kutangamswe Monday 21 October. Mushure mekunge vakabuda vachinzi he ranked second according to the National Electoral Commission ku Mozambique. So vakabuda vachitora ivo on his official Facebook page vachiti there was going to be a national shutdown mu the capital city of Maputo. Vanhu vakacomply and funga muri kuona mapictures aya apo mu city ya Mozambique, mu city ya Maputo Mozambique musina kana vanhu re Zimbabwe. Vanhu vachiresponda to this call yadaidzirwa na the opposition president. Vakabuda zvakare vachitaura ivo vachiti there was going to be a peaceful protest kana pakasabuda changes on the issue ya elections akaannounced iwawa muri Zimbabwe. Pane mavideos akakuigira kuti muone chiitiko chaitika ku Maputo muri Zimbabwe. Yakabuditswa one of bepa Maputo around the club of Mozambique vachitaura ivo vachiti Mozambique's capital city Maputo has virtually been turned into a ghost city this morning as millions of Mozambicans have united in response to opposition parties' calls for a national-wide shutdown. The move is an expression of their dissatisfaction with alleged irregularities in the electoral processes and potential election results. Mozambican presidential candidate Venancio Motlani, currently ranked second according to the National Electoral Commission count, announced a general shutdown of public and private activities starting Monday, October 21. The measure, which aims to contest the election results, was announced through a video posted on his official Facebook page, in which Motlani made a direct appeal to the Mozambican people. The candidate explained that a shutdown will begin at midnight on Monday and will be accompanied by peaceful demonstrations, including the display of posters repudiating what he considers a dictatorial and corrupt regime. Motlani expressed discontent with what he described as the kidnapping of the country by a small predatory elite that, according to him, has dominated Mozambique for 5 decades. The time has come for the people themselves to give the signal that the people are in charge. On Monday, my brothers will declare a general national strike, a shutdown of all public and private activity, said Motlani, adding that the action could escalate if the situation does not change. The presidential candidate highlighted the presence of armored vehicles in several areas of the city of Maputo, but assured that the strike would take place peacefully and that the security forces will be of no use. Motlani stated that the strike action is the first step to demonstrate popular dissatisfaction and promised that if the alleged electoral irregularities continue, other tougher measures will be implemented, said the opposition president. Yakabuditswa the club of Mozambique muri Zimbabwe. Tingaziva kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi paizonoda mukukusiyai muchiona mavideos ezvaiitika during national shutdown yaitwa ku Mozambique. Muombadza zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mu comment section. Kutaura kwatiri kuita the Southern African Development Community yakaissuwa a strong appeal for peace and restraint ku Mozambique. chinokonga this violence yatanga nyaya yakabuditswa the Zimbabwean mayor Zvataurwa vachiti the Southern African Development Community SADC has issued a strong appeal for peace and restraint in Mozambique following the country's general elections on October 9, 2024. The elections, which saw voters participating in presidential, legislative and provincial polls, were largely peaceful, aligning with the country's constitution. However, the situation took a grim turn after the deaths of two political figures, sparking concerns of potential unrest. Dr. Samia Hassan, President of Tanzania and chairperson of the SADC organ on politics, defense, security cooperation, released a statement addressing the post-election period, in which Dr. Paulo Gaumbe, a representative of PODEMOS political party, and Mr. Elvino Diaz, a lawyer for the same party, tragically died on October 19, 2024. The cause of their deaths is currently under investigation, prompting calls from SADC for thorough inquiries and calm during this sensitive time. We urge all stakeholders to exercise restraint whilst relevant authorities carry out investigations, said Hassan, underscoring the necessity for peace to avoid any escalation in tensions. The elections in Mozambique were a significant milestone for the country, and Dr. Hassan's statements praised that they were conducted in a generally peaceful manner. However, with tensions rising following the deaths of PODEMOS party members, the SADC urged all stakeholders to ensure that peace and stability continue to prevail, especially as the election management bodies and other institutions finalize the results, which are expected to be announced in the coming days. Dr. Hassan further emphasized, generally, the elections in the Republic of Mozambique took place in a peaceful manner. It is this spirit that SADC urges all stakeholders to uphold in the period before and after official announcements of election results. While the tragic deaths have brought an air of uncertainty, the Mozambique's peaceful election process and SADC's active involvement reflect a region's commitment to maintain democratic principles and security. SADC has been monitoring the situation closely, aiming to prevent any repeat of the violent political transitions seen elsewhere in Southern Africa. This call for calm comes at a critical time when Mozambique's future political landscape hinges on the final election results. SADC's involvement reflects not only the importance of these elections, but also the organization's broader goal of ensuring stability across the region. The regional body remains focused on supporting Mozambique as it navigates this challenging period, much like it has done for other member states facing political transition. With tensions simmering and Mozambique awaiting the official election outcomes, Dr. Hassan's appeal to the people and the political parties is clear. The path to a stable future lies in peace and cooperation, not in violence or chaos. The eyes of the region and the world remain on Mozambique as it seeks to move forward, guided by democratic principles and the rule of law. The Zimbabwean mayor on the position ya SADC elections iwawa wakaitwa ku Mozambique tisingaziye kuti mliona osi nyaya iyi kutwa kuita the chairperson we SADC vamnangagwa vakabuda vachicongratulate the president we Mozambique ni ma-elections iwawa nyaya netsa zvichinzizana PF yakabatsira mukuriga yava kusenda ma-congratulatory messages. Tisingaziye kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tudze zvamuri kufunga mu comment section.